Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today in our previous video we learned about odd and even numbers. That was the concept number 1. Now we will learn concept number 2 of odd and even. In this concept we learn how we differentiate between odd and even in tens and hundreds. To understand it, we have a number 52. How we can tell 52 is odd or even? In 52 there are 5 tens and 2 ones. We will not count tens in 52. We count only ones to tell that this number is odd or even. There are 2 ones. We count these cards. These cards are 2. We make their pairs. There is 1 pair of 2 ones. That means this number is even. 2 is even number. That means 52 is even number. 52 is even number. To understand odd and even in hundreds, we have another activity. We have 217 number. 217. There are 100 tens. There are 2 hundreds, 1 tens, and 7 ones. We will not count hundreds and tens there. We count only ones. How many ones are there? 7 ones. We make their pairs. 1, 2, 1 pair, 3, 4, second pair, 5, 6, third pair, and this one is alone. This one has no pair. That means 7 is odd number. 7 is an odd number. 217 is also odd number. Hope so you understand well odd and even in tens and hundreds. You can solve your homework pages very easily. These are your homework pages. Page number 21, 22, 28. To understand odd and even, I have a poem for you. You also learn and enjoy it. Thank you. Have a nice day.